Birds are tearing up them feeders I filled up earlier. That back was about half full now. I filled them all slat full, except for that oval shape one. It was already full. Three cardinals there. Yeah, you fill them up today, and they'll be empty tomorrow morning. They get frightened easy. They hear a little sound or something like that, and they fly off. Open door, I go 1,000 of them just flew away. Birds are pigs. If they was slat full earlier and the ones in the back was slat full, the ones in the back are a little lower now. Every day I gotta fill them up. Not even half of them. That was thousands a while ago. Those that you like birds. Welcome to my bird show. Like I said, both of the bird feeders are slat full earlier. I filled that blue one up on the right. And then I got two blue ones in the back and I filled them up. And they're going at it, boys. Are hungry birds right here. It don't matter what kind of seeds you buy, they'll eat it. That's the birds here in Georgia. Constantly eating bird seed. Seemed like I used to be able to go weeks at a time, like a week maybe, without filling it up. Years ago, now it's like every day I gotta fill these bird feeders up. Pretty soon I might not be buying seed for them too much anymore. And then I got two parakeets inside I gotta take care of now. There's little finches in there too. Yeah, Mark's Reviews and Rants. They'll be doing this for a while. There was thousands on there earlier. Mark's Reviews and Rants. I thought I'd just show you a little bird action going on out here. Y'all have a good one.